and welcome to a video where I'm gonna show you how to find equation of the tangent line and the normal line. Here is a nice example, y equals 3 plus 6x squared. Let's find equation of the tangent line first, and then find equation of the normal line at the given point. Let's do that. A. Well, before starting finding the equation of a tangent line, I will briefly tell you the steps. This is the steps I recommend students to use when I teach equation of a tangent line. Step 1. First, find the slope m. To find the slope, you find the derivative of the function, right? So I will differentiate this function right now, and my y is 3 plus 6x squared. If you know chain rule by this moment, then you already can do the derivative faster. If you don't be afraid, just use the square of the sum formula. 3 squared is 9, plus 3 times 2, 6, 6 times 6, 36x, plus 6 squared, 36x squared. Then y prime becomes 9 gives you 0, 36x gives you 36, plus 36x squared is 72x. And that's going to be my slope for all kind of points. So it's a derivative here. Derivative for all points. The thing is, we don't need derivative for all points. We need slope m, slope at the given point 2, 2, 2, 5. That means I want you, in this case, to plug or substitute. Plug x equals 2. Then slope m becomes 36 plus 72 times 2. And that's actually 180. That's my slope. Put it in the box. We will need it for the formula. Step 3. Step 3. Find the output y sub 0 or y naught or f at x sub 0 by plugging in x sub naught or x sub 0 into the original function. Now I will put a little parenthesis and you will laugh, if needed. That means sometimes we give it to you. And in this case, look at that. We actually do have it. Here's the point. And we have both x sub 0 and y sub 0. So we don't have to find it in this example. We're just lucky. So y sub 0 is 225. It was given. Check mark. Put it in the box. We will need it. Almost the last step asks you to write down the formula for the equation of the tangent line. The formula looks like this. Y minus y naught equals slope x minus x naught. If you're not sure, you can check yourself if you found everything you need. So x sub 0 was given at the beginning. Slope we just found by differentiating the function and plugging in x sub 0. Y sub 0 was given. Everything is here. Y minus 225 equals slope is 180, x minus, and then x sub 0 is 2. Last step is not always mandatory, but I always enforce it in my classes. Rewrite it. I'll write down for you. Rewrite as y equals mx plus b. I will tell you in a second why this form is actually indeed better than the previous one. To rewrite, I'm basically gonna write down y equals and put everything else on the right hand side. Plus 180 x minus 2. Then I will distribute 180 minus 360 and collect the terms. 180x goes first, and then 225 minus 360 is minus 105. Put it in the box And that's the answer for the equation of a tangent line. Equation of the tangent line, and if you want to be more precise, you say of the tangent line of the given function, this y, at the given point, here it is, x sub 0, y sub 0. So why this form is better? In this form, I can see the rate 180 really clear, 180, here it is, and I can see the shift, which you know just makes a shift of the graph of the function. So this rate actually gives more, this form of answer gives more information. B. We are going to use result in A to find B. For B, they ask us to find equation of the normal line. To do that, you need to remember that equation, that slope of the normal line equals minus 1 over the slope of the tangent line. They call it negative reciprocal. How come? That is because if I already found the slope of the tangent line, then the slope of the normal line will be perpendicular. See? Let's find it. Well, I do already have the slope of the tangent line, that's 180. So the slope of the normal line will be negative 1 over 80. That's a pretty small negative number. Then I still have everything. I have x sub 0, y sub 0, and now I have my m. In this case, it's m normal. So I'm just skipping to the step 4. Y minus y naught, that's still 2 to 5, equals, the only difference is different slope. Negative 1 over 180 times x minus 2. In the last step, 5, rewrite the function. And I'll skip my simplification. The answer is negative 180x plus 20,251 all over 90. I can pretend that I'm pretty smart and I did it in my head, but to be honest with you, I just have the answer in front of me, in my notes. And that's all. That's a very nice short example of how to find both equation of the tangent line and equation of the normal line, step by step, without skipping anything. Practice more and you'll be a pro in this topic. Thank you for watching. See you next time.